Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After our upside targets from yesterday, 85,400 and 86,400, got smashed. Bitcoin pushed another 4% higher. The pump happened just 45 minutes after I posted the last video with the title Pump Incoming. Nice. We hit $88,400, breaking clean through 87K, and more importantly, the yellow dashed line. That line is the apex of the symmetrical triangle drawn from late February to early March, a level we have been fighting with since March 10th. That triangle failed on March 24th, broke down again on March 28th, and even got rejected during the retest on April 2nd. Now finally we're back, and we broke it. But Bitcoin is not free yet. The price is now hovering just below it, trying to hold above 87,400. If this holds, the next key targets are 88,600 and 90,100. These are critical resistance levels that need to be cleared for the uptrend to continue. The weekly downtrend starting from late January is close to getting wiped. This would set us up for a real shot at 100K. Switching to the 3-day liquidation heat map, the hottest area was around 83,700. But forget about that. It is old news. The breakout invalidates the downtrend. The trend is your friend until the end. And this looks like the end of that downward move. Now switching to the weekly liquidation heat map, upside pressure is forming between 88,489K and again between 90K and 90.6K. Now for gold, it pumped 3.43% over the last 24 hours. That is massive. At the same time, the DXY dumped 1.5% on Easter Monday, falling from 99.415 to 97.921. People are clearly fleeing into safe haven assets. Bitcoin, gold, the narrative is getting stronger. In other news, Michael Saylor dropped the full details on the MicroStrategy buy. They acquired 6,556 Bitcoin for around $555.8 million at an average price of $84,785. MicroStrategy now holds 538,200 Bitcoin at an average price of $67,766. That is heavy accumulation. I will continue to update you daily. Join the free Discord to follow my real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you found value in this update. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay ahead. And see you in the next one.